Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadow of an image on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, we just need to drag the image. After dragging the image, for adjusting the shadow of this image, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here a second option you can see here adjust. Click on that. And then here on the left as the first section you can see here light, and in that section as a third option you can see here shadows, and from here you can just increase or decrease it as much as you wanted. And after adjusting it, you can see that you had been adjust the shadow of an image on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.